DJI Osmo Action camera, the day that everyone has predicted would eventually come, is now here. DJI has announced and released their very own action camera. But one question that really has bugged me, one question that just didn't go away, is this just another action camera? Jens here from All Star Space. In today's video, we are looking at some awesome product shots, brief audio, brief video tests, and we will eventually answer that question that I'm initially asking myself. Is this just another action camera? So there's not a lot you can do design-wise in any action camera, and DJI is there no exception. There's a cover hiding the ports and the battery clips on both sides with orange paint indicating it's not in properly. At the back it is almost entirely a touchscreen, and fairly chunky buttons on top are for power and shutter record. A third button on the side labeled as QS stands for Quick Set and lets you cycle through the different modes. However, the most interesting feature I found is the front display. DJI has managed to fit a proper screen here so you can get a preview of what the camera sees, and that is really good for vlogging or any self-shooting style, which we will look at in a second. So last but not least, the DJI Osmo Action camera is water shock and dust proof, and you can go and dive with this up to 11 meters without any additional casing. Another feature is the rock steady feature, which is the stabilization, and this is essentially an advanced electronic image stabilization where the image is clearly cropped to remove shakes and other movements, and it really is resulting in smoother videos. And I tried and tested it, and it is a pretty cool feature. As a matter of fact, the very same underlying concept you can already find in the DJI Spark drone, and at the time it was only designed for 1080p, but now you have this in this 4K action camera. So guys, the rear screen is really touch sensitive. The front screen is not touch sensitive, the rear screen is touch sensitive, and I found that the menu system was really intuitive to use. Without reading any manuals or reviewer's guide, I quickly got to grips on how this whole system works. Pretty much everything is gesture based, so that means you swipe from any direction, from any edges, down, left, right or center to summon up the menus. It can shoot 4K 60 frames per second with stabilization, rocksteady enabled, HDR video in 4K 30p, but it has no stabilization in this mode. As mentioned before, it contains a 2.25 inch rear color touchscreen and a 1.4 inch front facing color screen, also slow modes up to 240 fps, 120 fps for 1080 and 720p. It has removable front lenses for ND filters, which will hopefully be available soon. It has a removable battery which lasts around 90 minutes in my testing for 4K 30p and with rocksteady on. However, it lasts 1 hour and 56 minutes in 1080p 30 fps without the rocksteady mode. We didn't talk about the price yet. It is $349 US and 379 euros over here in Europe. So guys, let's have a quick look at the video and audio test.
Testing the DJI Osmo Action in Munich and checking out the different lighting scenarios from behind and then ahead. Really,
how is the audio? We don't know yet.
We don't know yet, but I'm really impressed with the camera on the front.
You mean with the screen?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
So my conclusion, I feel that the DJI Osmo Action camera is overall an awesome device. However, I personally feel it is a very strategic and corporate move. And guys, there is nothing wrong with this, and this is to optimize profit. What they have done essentially is taken an existing product, which we all know is the GoPro lineup, and made it better. They looked at the components that didn't work, combined it with their experience in building drones and cameras, and this is the product. So for me, there is a total lack of innovation, and this is like in general theme currently. There's a lack of innovation, full stop. I think it is an awesome device. Will I be using this moving forward? Most likely yes, because I have DJI drones, and that's probably what DJI is already after for people who are either using drones or who want to enter the action camera market. Is this just another action camera? I'm afraid the answer is yes, just another action camera. And I feel the lack of innovation makes it maybe for some people a slightly better device than what is already out there. And if that was DJI's intention, then job well done. But if DJI's intention was to wow people, to get people into a line to buy this, then not well done. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this DJI Osmo Action camera? It is an awesome device. Personally, I feel there's a lack of innovation. Jens here from Space. Let me know in the comments below, have you got any experience with this already? Will you buy one? Are you looking to buy one? Let me know. This is Jens here from Space. See you next week. Peace out.